Hi guys, it's Jamie with Not Too Shabby. Welcome back to the channel. Today we are doing a YouTube hop and giveaway. So all you have to do is hop to each creator on the hop, click on the hashtag, or I have the videos in the description box. You can click on each video, leave a comment, like the video if you like what you saw, and subscribe. Come back to my raffle copter link in the description box to enter into the giveaway. So our stamp and die of the month is called Grow Happy Thoughts. We have a wildflower theme. We've got 3 sets of wildflowers, 2 butterflies, a little fly or bee, and a little trail. We have the sentiments: thanks, wishing you a wild birthday, grow happy thoughts, and wild and free. The coordinating die will cut out all the images and the sentiments, including the little trail. Here's one card that I created using the stamp set. On this card, I used the little butterfly and the little fly and the sentiment, grow happy thoughts. I used the paper from this beautiful paper pad, Beautiful Wings. This is in your paper pad club this month. Plus you get the blooms of spring. So really pretty prints in here. I'm going to use the paper pad today to create 2 more cards with you. So one winner is going to win a $25 gift certificate to the shop. I will announce that winner on the 15th. The giveaway will run through the 14th of this month. So I'm stamping with the Memento Tuxedo Black ink. So for our subscriptions on the Paper Pad Club and the Stamp and Die of the Month, or if you just wanted the Stamp of the Month, we offer a 18% discount when you join the club. And all you have to do to join the club is choose your frequency as monthly at checkout. You'll see the discount in your shopping cart, and then your subscription will ship every 30 days from the date you purchased. We try to coordinate somewhat the Paper Pad Club and the Stamp of the Month, so you could use the items together. So it's a great subscription if you wanted to grab both of them. I'm going to stamp out my sentiment actually right underneath here, and I'm going to stamp that out in VersaFine Clear. I love that ink for sentiments. So for this one, I think I'm going to stamp out Wild and Free, and I'm going to stamp that out right underneath, right in the center. Now I'm going to stamp it out in the corner. So these 3 cards that I'm making are very clean and simple, real classic look to them. I'm going to stamp out my image with Memento Tuxedo Black ink. I'm going to be coloring with Copic markers, and then I'm going to stamp out my sentiment with the VersaFine Clear. So for our subscriptions, you can purchase the Paper Pad Club and the Stamp and Die of the Month Club as a one-time purchase, or you can join the club and get an 18% off discount, which is a great deal. So to do that, you'll choose your frequency before checking out, and you'll choose monthly, and that will get the discount in your shopping cart. And then your subscription will ship every 30 days from the date you purchased. So you'll be on auto ship. You won't have to worry about it. It'll automatically go out. I'm going to stamp out this detail black ink and see the difference on the other side. This side or this side? This side is much more vibrant, that's for sure. The only thing is that this ink does stain your stamps, so if you don't like your stamps getting stained, then you might not want to use that kind of ink. The Memento does not stain your stamps. See, there's just a little hazy residue left over. The other one, I'm going to do a birthday card. Got ink on my fingers, and I think I'm getting ink on my card panel. So let's turn that over. And we are going to do wishing you a wild birthday. I need another birthday card. Really, really like this image. Okay, that looks beautiful. Okay, let's add a little bit of details with these butterfly stamps. Put this one here. See if I want to add the trail. I got ink on my fingers. I keep getting ink on the paper, so let's cover that up with this trail. Here we go. Let's see if we have any room for this one. This one we'll just keep simple like this. Ooh, but I love this little fly. I think I'm going to add the little fly without the trail. Let's see, I'm just going to add it right here. Okay, very cute. Okay, so I grabbed some Copic colors here. I'm not going to do too much shading. And this is my inspiration right here. I'm going to use this for a background when we do our card. So I want it to match somewhat. So I'm going to play some music during the coloring and then I'll meet you back to put the card together. Okay, I'm going to cut those out with a stitched die. So I hope you guys enjoy the inspiration along the hop. Can't wait to see what the other designers created with this stamp and die of the month. So I have foam tape on the back of this panel here, and I'm just going to put that right in the middle. And for this card, I'm just gonna put this one right there, line up the stitching. I'm just gonna take some light blue confetti and sprinkle that in some places on my card. And then for this card, I'm going to use probably the clear confetti. So this completes both of my cards today. I hope you enjoyed them. Don't forget to hop along, and good luck on the giveaway. And I will have all the links to the products in the description box for you. So thank you so much for your support, and I will catch you in the next video. Bye guys.